are now here in Odaiba, and man, has this place changed since I was here last, 24 years ago. But then, as my wife says, places change all the time here. Always new things coming up and being built, old buildings being replaced with new ones, and places like this. Holy cow, this is cool. Now there's two cool Gundam statues that you can see when you visit Japan. One of them is here in Odaiba, and it's right around the corner. Check this out. Here is a 1-to-1 scale size replica of the Gundam Unicorn. That's right, if the Gundam Unicorn was a real thing, that's as big as it would be in real life. Check that thing out. Not only is there this cool 1-to-1 scale size replica of the Gundam Unicorn here, but there is also a geocache not too far away. So we're going to go ahead and get that cache. Then we're going to go ahead and go inside and check out the Gundam store. Let's go get that cache. Now this geocache that's hidden here is pretty cool because they have reference to the actual early original Gundam. So this will be pretty cool if we can find it. And maybe here. The mini space colony. Good reference to the old original Gundam, and I just dropped the cache. There we go. Here we go, second geocache of the day. Right here, next to the giant life-size Gundam. Time to put the cache back. So if you're ever here in Odaiba and you want to check out the giant Gundam, I do recommend that you do so. And also, if you're a really big fan of Gundam, you can go into the store and get some cool Gundam swag. We're going to be heading on in there in a minute, but you know, it's like I like Gundam, but I'm not like a real big fan of Gundam. The Gundam series I liked were the original series, the Gundam Origins series, which came out a few years ago, and then there's also Gundam War in the Pocket that I really liked, and of course Gundam Stardust Memory. Those are the only Gundams I've really seen and enjoyed. I did put some reference to Gundam in the geocaching comic book that I worked on with Joshua Johnson. As you can see here, this climbing gear mask that Josh was wearing as he's climbing Mount Everest, it's a Gundam mask. So I put a little bit of a Gundam reference in The Greatest Treasure, the world's first official geocaching comic book. Enough talking, let's go inside and check out some Gundam stuff. I told myself, Rich, don't buy anything. Don't buy anything in here. I bought something. I had to. This place is friggin' insane. Gundams all over the place. If you're a collector of Gundam items, you're gonna love it here. You have to come here and check this place out. Wow, spent way too much time there at the mall. More time than what I was planning on, because the Gundam store was cool, the Gundam outside is cool, and then all the run around and unnecessary shopping that we did, and money that I spent on things. Wow, we have to get going here. There's another thing we want to go ahead and head up here this evening here before we call it a day. But, you know, there's a few more caches around here in Odaiba that I think we have time to get. So, let's get these caches. It's a poop museum, only here in Japan. If I would have known about this sooner, I would say, yeah, let's go in and check this crap out. Oh, wow. But we don't have time. So, if you want to come out here and check out some interesting stuff when you're done seeing the Gundam, come check this poop out. As I said, there's a few more caches along the way out here till we get down to where the train station is to get back to our hotel for the night. And luckily enough to find one of the caches right here. And we've got muggles approaching. Muggle ga itemasu. Going for cache number 4 of the day before we end this. Hint for this one is red. Do you see anything red around the area? Why, yes. This mailbox. Cache is on the mailbox. Maybe under the mailbox. See nothing on it here. So, time to break out the phone. And I think I found it. Boom! Here we go. It is a Coca-Cola bottle top. How about that? What a great cache for the end of the day. Got it. Ah! Kanagawa Yuki signed this. See his name right there. He is a geocacher that I follow on Twitter. In fact, on Twitter, I pretty much use that to follow Japanese geocachers. So I'm grateful and happy to finally found a cache that one of them found. People are walking by wondering, what's that American doing hanging out next to that mailbox? Why I'm geocaching, of course. Not gonna pretend to tie my shoe. Okay, we're done. Let's go. Oh wow, this is still going. Hi.